Do you know why people with poor posture make for great detectives? Because they always have a hunch. Hey friends, Avi Physio here. Welcome to the second video on posture correction. In today's video, I'm going to be specifically speaking on rounded shoulders and prescribe 2 exercises at the end of the video that will help you correct this problem. If you missed the first video on forward head posture, be sure to check that out. I will attach a link below. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, please hit subscribe for more content that allows you to be the best physical version of you. In a nutshell, rounded shoulders are caused by the shortening or tightness of structures in the front and a weakening of structures at the back. Therefore, it's not just the shoulders that become rounded and internally rotated, but your mid-back, your thoracic spine becomes more flexed or kyphotic. Therefore, I'm going to be teaching you 2 exercises, one specifically to stretch out the muscles in the front and the other to help strengthen the muscles at the back. Right, let's get to it. This is known as the door frame stretch. You place your hands on either side of a door frame up like this and take a big step forward, and you'll feel a stretch on the chest and shoulder area. Now, if both arms you find it a bit uncomfortable, then you can go one-handed, hold it for a period of 30 seconds a few times in the day. Find a wall that you can lean against. Make sure that your head, your pelvis, and your entire spine fills the space on the wall, so there's no gap here. Have your arms externally rotated and to the side, and lift your arms up and down as you're gently pushing your body into the wall. Make sure your chin is tucked in, and you can repeat this 10 to 15 times, a few times a day, to help strengthen your postural muscles. If you found that you were unable to keep your lower back flat against the wall, specifically for the second exercise, then you have an excessive anteriorly tilted pelvis, which I will address in the next video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please share it with someone who has rounded shoulders. Leave a comment or press like, or let me know if this works for you. In the meantime, guys, stay safe and stay strong.